Hello students. Today I am going to teach you one very interesting topic about communication skill which is verbal, non-verbal and speaking and communication cycle. I have already told you about these topics many times, but today we'll try to understand these topics in a different way. What are the things? Suppose I will ask you the first question is what is the difference between verbal and non-verbal communication? You are already aware what is public speaking technique means how you have to talk, what should be your posture, what should be your tone and clarity. Explain the stages of the communication cycle like sender, message, receiver and feedback. Apply communication skill in real life scenario. Now what will be the open-ended questions? How might a misunderstanding occur if non-verbal cues are ignored? Misunderstanding. See, communication plays a vital role. If anybody will not respond to your question, अगर आप किसी ने आपके क्वेश्चन का जवाब नहीं दिया या टाइम पे जवाब नहीं दिया तो उसमें भी रिलेशनशिप में बहुत इश्यूज आ जाते हैं. सपोज यू नीड योर फ्रेंड एट अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम एंड यू आर आस्किंग फॉर सम हेल्प and that time he or she will not respond to your message, then it will be a communication barrier. Why is feedback important in communication? Feedback communication में क्यों important है? Suppose do I will tell you about something and from your end you will not tell me, you will not respond whether you understood, not understood, you have any problem or not, then I will go like this. और मुझे समझ नहीं आएगा कि आपको कहाँ पे परेशानी है, आपको क्या समझ आया नहीं आया. तो ये है कम्युनिकेशन में फीडबैक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. How would how would you handle stage fight during the public speaking? Stage fight, stage fright, fright. It's not fight, it's fright. Stage fright means डर. स्टेज का डर हम कैसे हटा सकते हैं? हम हटा सकते हैं. वी शुड हैव द हैबिट. हमें हैबिट होनी चाहिए. हमें हैबिट होनी चाहिए पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करने की. मीन्स हम बार बार करते हैं. हम बार बार हम पब्लिक स्पीकिंग करते हैं. हम वो मौके ढूंढते हैं या फिर हमें मौके मिलते हैं टू स्पीक इन पब्लिक, टू इंटरैक्ट विद पीपल. ये उसी तरह है जैसे प्रैक्टिस मेक्स अ मैन और वुमेन परफेक्ट. आप जितनी बारी स्टेज में जाओगे उतनी बारी आपका पब्लिक स्पीकिंग का फेयर हटेगा. नाउ वी हैव this is also very important when we are talking about communication skill. We have facial expression. हम फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन से भी कई बार बिना बोले लोगों को समझते हैं. जेस्चर्स. जेस्चर में हमेशा बोलती हूँ बच्चों को कि जेस्चर इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट व्हेन यू आर टीचिंग. That time if student will come in your class and they will interrupt by loudly saying may I come in ma'am, then you need to interrupt. You can show gesture, you can show a little bit, you can through your body gesture, hand gesture, you can show that you want to come inside the class. There is no need that every time you will yell and when somebody is talking. That time if you are yelling then it is not a proper gesture. Now what is movement? We need to show proper movement whenever it is needed. Suppose in traffic light, if traffic there will be no traffic police, then who will tell? There are lots of areas where traffic polices are not there and people are driving with their wish. Wherever they want to go, they are going and उससे क्या होता है? Accidents होते हैं. लोगों को पता नहीं चलता कि कौन सी गाड़ी आ रही है. तो it is very much important कि हमें कोई मूवमेंट बताने वाला हो. आई कांटेक्ट. आई कांटेक्ट का सबसे बेस्ट एग्जांपल है व्हेन आवर मम्मियाँ अपने बच्चों को आई कांटेक्ट दिखाती हैं, घूरती हैं कि यू नीड टू सिट एंड स्टडी और दे गॉट सो फ्राइटन कि दे वे जल्दी से जाके बैठ जाते हैं. आई कांटेक्ट इज वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट स्पेशली इन इंटरव्यूज. यू आर गिविंग एन इंटरव्यू and you are interacting with the interviewer with full eye contact, तो interviewer को लगेगा you are very much confident. And ये confidence तभी आता है when we are prepared. When we prepare for what we have to speak, when you prepare for the interview, when you have your content knowledge, when you have your concept knowledge, then you have the confidence to face the other person who is sitting next to you. Now, nodding the head. It is very much important when we have to nod, when we don't have to. A physical appearance, how you are appearing physically in public or with your friends, friend group, it is also matters कि हम कैसे दिख रहे हैं. Physical appearance means we should look professional. हमें professionally, like you can see this dress, we should know where we are going, how we have to dress up, and we should not be too much loud, or we should not be too much means too much you can say a dress which will not appropriate for the particular occasion. Now these, you can see this is a very good diagram of public speaking skill. You can see this person is speaking this, by body language we can see this person is too much happy. Now this, and now if you have to announce something to a particular group of audience, then if you have to speak like this, then you have to conduct a session for some particular group of student. You can make the this kind of sitting arrangement. Now if there will be any debate and there is a public to watch you, you can make this kind of public arrangement. Then like this solo performance, then you should have something what you want to prepare, and like this also. So this is public speaking. Lastly, I would like to tell you that public speaking, verbal, non-verbal communication, all are very much important part of communication cycle. Thank you very much. Bahu suno to?